No, 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 no. What is up, guys and girls and guys? Today is the day we all been waiting on. Today's the day I've been waiting on. Today's the day y'all been waiting on. Today's the day the world's been waiting on. You feel me? The wheels are they're finally gonna be here, man. After a month of waiting and wondering and just being so bored, bro. Just being so bored. I don't be able to do anything with my car, drive the car, get content, any of that. Like, it's been kind of upsetting, you feel me? But today, this weekend right here, I'm gonna have the tires and wheels on the car, and it honestly might be driving around, you feel me? Might be driving around. We might be in the game, you feel me? We gotta see, you know, how it all works and stuff like that. But I'm pretty sure the specs I went with, bro, this time, it should be driving around by tomorrow. You feel me? Tomorrow, Monday at the latest, but I want to get it all done before Monday, you feel me? So it should be done tomorrow. I'm not doing too much of nothing tomorrow, so I'm just gonna, you feel me, work overtime and get it done, you feel me? Just knock it out. Cause I wanna get everything like locked in and just dialed in for y'all. So yeah, so we'll see. But like I said, hopefully, fingers crossed that everything's done by tomorrow. And it's copacetic and it's easy and y'all get to see what's happening. But this time, as y'all know, the first time we didn't get to document the whole build, you feel me? The whole experience of lowering it, just doing the rear end, none of that. So this time I want to actually get documentation of lowering it, dialing the fitment in, putting the tires on, putting the wheels on. I'm going to show y'all the tire size I have. I'm going to show y'all the wheel specs I have. I'm going to show y'all everything. And honestly, the hardest part, what took the wheel so long this time, was that the specs I went with, you feel me? So they were just a little bit more, well, the 11s, okay, so I'm going to tell you right now, I got 18 by 11s and 18 by 9.5s, but the 11s weren't the hard ones to get, you feel me? But the 9.5s were the challenge. Those are the ones that they didn't have in stock, and they've been out of stock actually since before I even ordered them. Like, it was a month before I even, so since like November they've been out of stock, you feel me? So they were pretty hard just to get, man, get a hold of. I tried every single site. Some sites said they weren't out of stock, and then I ordered them, and then they emailed me and said that they were out of stock. So it was just a back and forth thing. But they're here, guys. They're here now. They're finally here. So I don't know, man. It's a very exciting day, bro. I've never waited this long on wheels. Even my 3-piece wheels, I've never waited so long. But trust me, they're gonna be worth the wait, you feel me? So we're just gonna do a little vlog today. I'm gonna document every single thing. I want to tell y'all where we're at. I want to tell y'all the steps we're about to take. I want y'all to, you know, be along for the ride, you feel me? This time it's about y'all, and y'all gonna be along for the ride. So without further ado, once I get to the wheels, since we're on the way there right now, waiting for FedEx to come bless me, you feel me? Once they get there, I'm gonna be back. But as of right now, bang, we're at McDonald's. I'm about to get some grub real quick, you feel me? We're gonna get some grub real quick to get my mind right for what's about to happen, you feel me? So I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the crib. Alright, y'all, so FedEx just left, man. And oh my gosh, bro, you know, I don't get excited a lot about things. Like, a lot of stuff doesn't make me excited, but this right here, bro. So let me show y'all. I ain't even gonna say too much. They're here. They are finally here, y'all. Hold on. They're here, bro. They're here. So I'm lost for words. I'm gonna open them up. I'm gonna see what they look like, and you know what? I'm gonna let y'all see what they look like too. You feel me? I'm gonna open them up. It's gonna be my first look. Y'all gonna see them for the first time with me. You feel me? Like I said, I want everybody to be along for the ride. So I want y'all to see the first unboxing and my reaction to the wheels. So here we go. All right, y'all. So here they go, man. Here's my babies. Waiting so long, man. so long on these wheels. So I'm gonna crack them open. Like I said, y'all are about to see them for the first time, just like I am. So let's see what they're about, bro. Let's see what they're about. Hey, crack these. Get me straight right here. Oh. Hey, let's get right, y'all. Let's get right. Alright, so these are the 9.5s. These are the mother humpers that took so long. These are what caused all the problems. These are what I've been waiting a month for. These specs, the 9.5. So, let's see what they're about. Let's see, man. Actually, yeah, I'll crack them open just off the top right here. Let's see. Make sure I don't get the wheels. That'd be no fun. So, everybody that's wanting to know the wheels, everybody that's been guessing the wheels, y'all got pretty close, but these are it, guys. Cosmos, one piece. These are actually pretty light. Both of these wheels like feel kind of like one of my 3-piece wheels. It's kind of crazy. These are pretty light. But yeah, these are at Cosmos, y'all. Everybody that's been asking, everybody that's been, you know, trying to guess it. You know what? Look at this, bro. Look at this. On the ground. Alright. This on. Wow. I mean, like, y'all already see what we got going on right here, you feel me? Y'all already see we getting awkward with it. Oh my god. Bro. Like, look at that. Damn. Wow. Crazy, bro. Like, look at the colors on this.
It looks yellow on camera.
The colors. That's crazy, huh? Little Cosmos, got the little Cosmos piece going on right here, you feel me? I feel it. Shout out to Import Image Racing. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I was on them a lot. I was texting them a lot. I was emailing them a lot, like every few days about these. So I know they got tired of me. I know they're just, you feel me? They're glad I got my wheels and I'm out of their hair, but I really needed them, man. I was getting impatient. It was just too much, you feel me? So shout out to y'all there, Michael, Josh. I forgot the girl's name, but you guys all helped me like a lot. So thank you guys so much, and I appreciate it, man. Now here we go. Oh my goodness, bro. Bro. Oh my gosh. Bro, look at that.
Like a kid on Christmas, huh?
Wow. Peep that out, bro. Just peep that out. I mean, bro, this is like some different type of stuff. Man. Alright, and these are 9.5s. Like, you still get a pretty good concave. You still get I mean, it's a good ass setup still, you feel me? Like, you get a good amount of room with it. You still get the nice strong look. Excuse me. It's not like you got the concave like sticking out or like concave, since it's still a 9.5. It's still pretty deep in. It gives me a good solid lip on the outside. Is step lip, but good solid lip. I love them, man, and the colors are just crazy. Like, and these are 18 by 9.5 with the plus 10 offset. You feel me? So anybody who wants to, if you're looking to get some or whatever, these are 18 by 9.5 plus 10. Let me see. Yeah, plus 10 offset. You feel me? So I don't know, man. Dang, it looks so good. We're just gonna have to see what's up with them on the car. But the tires I ran with the 245s up front, so we'll see what you know, how it looks. Because I wanted still to go with like kind of beefy setup or whatever, but still be low. So I'm gonna work the fenders, I'm gonna work the height and see what we can do with it. But I mean, these on the car are gonna look crazy, bro. I already know it. I mean, I have no doubt in my mind. I already know it. These are gonna look fire. But yeah, these are nice, 9.5s. Now I'm about to show y'all the 11s, man. The 11s, y'all know I'm about to go bonkers, you feel me? But let's get into it, man. This is just crazy, though. I can't even believe, like, the colors on that. Just look how it dances, bro. I'm from Florida, you feel me? So y'all know I like that gold stuff, you feel me? That gold, that's a little different. That's a little different, man. That's crazy. I can't even handle that. I'm about to go get them mounted. I'm about to go get them mounted and balanced right now. Rob's about to blast them on at the shop, so I might just, yeah, whatever. I'll just put them back in the. Actually, I'm not even gonna put them in the bag. All right, y'all. So we busted the boxes down. We had to get up under 9.5s to get to the 11. So same thing. You feel me? Close this a little bit. Put something on it. Too much weight, but all right. So same thing. Look at these 11s, bro. Like, just look how. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that size, bro. Look at this width. Look at this width. Look at that, bro. Damn. See? That's what we doing now? That's what we doing now? Okay. Let's peep it out. Let's see what we got. Oh my. Gotta tighten my hoodie up. Hey, I gotta tighten the hoodie up for this one. You feel me? Bro, look, just look. Oh my goodness. Look from the side. Peep the lips. Like concave. Like, just peep it out, bro. Damn, that is solitary. Wow. I can't even handle that. Like, that should be illegal, bro. This should be illegal. And even the 11, like, this is an 11 and it's still not even that heavy. Like, it's so crazy. It's really not that heavy at all. Man, these look so. Are y'all ready to see these on a Mustang? Y'all ready to see what these look like on a Mustang? On some R compound tires. Oh, and I do have R compounds on, like, for 4 of them, but I'm gonna get more tires when we do slide around, you know, with less. Probably like a RS, not the R compounds, just the RSs, and yeah, man, slide them around. But as of now, I just want to get a nice. I want to just look nice and strong and just filthy. So yeah, I got an R compound for both of them right now, and but just look at that. Just look at it. Just look at this, bro. This looks nasty. This is dirty. This is so dirty. Now I was gonna go with the 10s or whatever they had, but I was like, nah, bro. Like on the Mustang, bro, those quarters, like the ass end of that Mustang is so wide that I'm just like, we have to fill that, because even on 11s, I'm not even lying. On these 11s, I'm probably still gonna have to put like, probably something like a 5 mil or something, some kind of spacer on it, just because you got to get it all the way beefed out. But I mean, the rear just eats these wheels, bro. 11s, 11.5s, just all of them, they just eat the wheels. I just want to do 11 because I still want that good function, no rubbing, none of that like weird stuff that we had before. So with the 11s, and boy, I'm very happy with this. I'm very happy with the colors. I'm happy with like the offsets, and these are 18 by 11 plus 8 on the offset. You feel me? So the offset is plus 8 on these. But yeah, man, I can't even believe it. They look beautiful. So y'all seen it first. with me before Instagram, before anybody. Y'all seen them first, you feel me? So these are it. I'm gonna go to Rob at Gator Tire. Get these babies blasted on. Once they get blasted on the tires, we'll be back. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like on our compound tires. And yeah, man. So that's where we're right now. I'll see you at the shop. If I don't record at the shop, because I don't know if they get weird at the shop or whatever, but if I don't record at the shop, I'll show y'all what they look like when we get back to the crib. Alright guys, so unfortunately Gator Tire, where Rob's at, they were closed. They closed at 1 o'clock today, so I won't be able to get the tires on and show you guys. So I'm just gonna wrap this video up with this. I'll post another video maybe next week, the tires on and stuff like that, like getting them mounted and stuff like that. But as of now, we're gonna wrap this up. And if I don't post a video with the tires getting mounted on, then I'll just show you guys what they look like when they are mounted on before I put them on the car and stuff like that. And then we will put them on the car. We'll test fit everything. We'll dial in the fitment, and of course, I'm gonna take you guys along with that and show you guys how I do all that stuff. And then after we dial in the fitment, get everything good to go, we test drive it. Everything is good. We can lock good. We can get on it, and everything is tight and locked in. We will take it to paint in the next couple days, or yeah, the next week or whatever. So I'm just trying to get everything finished and everything buttoned all up, because I'm just ready for this car to be in one piece again. It's been so long, you feel me? Like, I haven't seen it in one color in like a year, maybe longer, you feel me? So trying to get all the little stuff buttoned up and just get it back on the road and ready to roll and just ready to kill stuff, you feel me? So that's gonna be it for this video. Sorry I didn't get to show you guys the tires and stuff on, but you will see it in the next video, you feel me? So that being said, I love y'all. Please make sure you always like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, I always tell you, you guys mean the world to me, and I do this for y'all, you feel me? So I love y'all. To the next video. Peace.